Hey, good afternoon there, Louie. It's Todd Silver calling from Action Auto and Easy Way Credits. Just wanted to show you a quick video here. I've got one car right now. It's a Ford Fiesta. Really low kilometers on it. Looks really good. It's actually probably one of my favorites. I've also got a Chevrolet Cruze that's on its way. I'll send you some information in the email there when I send you this video. Let me know what you think on this one. I just figured a full walk around on a video just gives you a little bit. You can see the car kind of before you get down to actually take a look and drive it, right? So let me know what you think on this one. If you do like this car, I'll work out the price in there for you. Realistically, my finance department and my sales manager does think that this particular car could fit. So just let me know, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.